Hello, fourth graders. This is Mrs. Nelson, and you are going to be working on more informational text and main idea. So, to get comfortable with trying to find main idea, you need to be able to decide what things are general and what things are specific. So, looking at this list in front of you, number 1, it has the main idea of this collection. Now, the main idea is never just one thing. It's the gist. It's what does the author want you to know all about? What are they trying to teach you? It's always more than one thing. So if we look at this list, we have dogs, cats, fish, rabbits, and snakes. What do you ask yourself? Who, what, why, when, where? What does the author want me to know about these things? What do they all kind of have in common? Okay, so they have something in common. What is it? Is it the books on my shelf? Do dogs have books? Do cats have books? Do fish, rabbits, and snakes have books on my shelf? Probably not. Do I have dogs in my backpack, cats in my backpack, fish, rabbits, or snakes in my backpack? They're all things I have in my backpack? Probably not. It's all about lunch meat. So dogs, cats, fish, rabbits, snakes. I don't think, as far as I know, fish eat lunch meat or our lunch meat, and rabbits don't eat lunch meat. So all types of pets. Eat probably all types of pets because a dog, a fish, a rabbit, and snakes are types of pets. So you could have pets. That would probably work here. So you would pick pets. Now you would pick that, only one, and then you would do check your answer. Your check your answer here, I don't have it up here on this category, but once you answer your question first, then go check your answer. If you have any questions, you do have several more questions like this. Okay? You have what's the main idea of tomatoes, corn, lettuce, cucumber, spinach, pine tree, apple tree, oak tree, maple tree, guppies, fish food, goldfish, fish tank, gravel, cows, lambs, goats, chickens, sheep, pigs. Those are some of those. All right. So if you have questions, concerns, please check in with me. I will see you on the next video. Bye.